Hey everyone, this is Mritvika and today we are learning another polyjazz choreography on the super fun and sexy Crazy Kia Ray. If you want to check out the choreography, I'm going to link it down in the description below. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start facing back. You're going to open the leg, you go up, drop it down, close to the left. Let's do that once again. Hands go up as you open. One in an Ulta Namaste. You go down in a plie and then both hands come together. From here, your left hand goes behind to support you and you're going to feel your body as you extend the left leg. From here, right hand goes on the floor behind you and you keep the left hand very sharp. Come back like that. Once again. 5, 6, 7, you go na 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 and feel and sharp. Come back. From here, you're gonna drop the knees 1 1. As you do that, your head goes down with the second knee. Ha ha. You're gonna shift the weight on your hands. Legs go open, open 3 times. You're gonna open fan only with one leg. Right leg comes in, left leg goes over, and you're gonna switch. Come up, scoop. Let's do all of that once again. That's just the intro. 5, 6, 7, and na 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 na. Sexy lady on the floor. More. Na 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 na. And fan. 6, 7, chori chori. Okay? So you're gonna skip the first. Sexy lady on the floor. She says it twice. So we're gonna skip the first one. We start on the second one on the beats. Let's do this once more and then we carry on. 5, 6, 7, and ta ta na ta na. Go feel and sharp. Come back. Ta na 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 na. And fan. 6, 7, chori chori kia. From here, your left leg goes back and your chest pops out. You go 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and ka ka. From here, I take the weight on the right leg and rond de jambe the back leg. Okay? So the right hand goes up like that and the back leg rond de jambes forward. So once again, you were down. Chori chori kia pa pa ha. Sharp look, drop, drop. So it's all on the beats. Once again, 5, 6, 7, chori chori kia, out, in, ah, sharp and ka ka. So make sure it's not just hand and you're really adding the accent ta ta. From here to thumke to the left, you go ta ta. From here, I'm going to shift the weight again on the back leg and extend the front leg with the left leg. So as I do that, I'm also making this nice 180-degree angle with my arms. So I was here, ta, ta, stretch. From here, I'm going to take the weight on the front leg, this time left leg, hands go up and open. So it's kind of like just half a pirouette and back leg comes to passe. So the right leg comes to passe. Up, you face back and down. Okay, let's take it from the top once on kind of my singing, alright? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and na, 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 na. Feel, look, come back. Da, na, 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 na. And fan. 6, 7, chori, chori, kia, ta, ta, ta. Dil ya, na, 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 na. Chori, chori, kia, up, close, and. So, now, from here, when you go for the pirouette, you're gonna go hands together like that, but you're not twisting all the way, you're just back. And then you're gonna catch and sit on your right hip, right here. When you put your hands on your waist, don't keep them low, try to keep them as high as possible, sticking your chest and butt out. So, after the pirouette, you go ta, ta, and again on the beat, hit to the left. From here, you're just gonna flow it left, right. So one hit and then flow. Hit, flow, flow. You're gonna turn to the left. If you can go for a shinny turn, you go for a shinny turn. Otherwise, just a simple turn and drop. Let's take it again from chori chori. 5, 6. Chori chori kiya, boom boom ta. Spot spot and a na 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 na. Stretch up, ka ka. Hit, flow, flow, turn and down. From here, you're gonna pull, go to the right side, use your chest. Yeah, so the hand is next to the chest, trying to make that wave a little bit bigger, and you're really stepping with the right leg. Ka, ha, ha. 5, 6, 7, and na, na, kiya. This has to be like very powerful with the fist, like you're really punching something. So, jadoo se jadoo kiya. You're gonna look away on kiya re. You look in front, and then again, take your chest to your hand. Go boom, boom. So once again, from here, jadoo se jadoo kiya, kiya re. Feel 6. Let it go. Yeah, that feel. Make it your own. Ha, ha. Let's take it back from chori chori kiya re till all the way here. 5, 6. Chori chori kiya, boom boom ta. Look and cut cut. Na 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 na. Do boom ta ta ha. Feel, turn da. Jadoo se jadoo kiya, kiya re. 6, 7, and from here, jagi soi rahu. So you're gonna shift the weight, take it to the right leg, hands go up. As you do that, then you're gonna plie, and hands come to namaste. So jagi soi. Your left leg steps forward, you go up, down, up, down. You just do that twice. Really try to make a 90-degree angle with the arms. Don't be here, don't be here, don't be hila. Look in the mirror and figure this out for yourself. So from here, the hands go up, down, twice, and the legs are going stretch, plie, stretch, plie. So from ha, ha, jagi soi rahu, ka, ka. From here, you're just gonna let your arms melt. As you do that, you're gonna ronde jump the front leg, which is the right leg. Wah. Roll. So immediately as the leg lands, you go for a hip roll. From here, melt, roll. Once again, jagi soi. Ha. 6, 7, and jagi soi rahu. Koi koi rahu. The fun part, you go uski. So your hands are just here, right in front, left up. Again, making that shape, and you're gonna isolate the left leg, shift weight on the right side. You go jagi soi rahu, koi koi rahu, uski yaadon mein. So you're just shuffling. Uski yaadon mein. 5, 6, 7. Uski yaadon mein. Uski. You come back to the right. You're gonna plie, and if you want, you can do the jump, which is a little bit advanced variation, or you can just go ka, just like a leg. So from the step or the jump, you're gonna land here. As you land on the other leg, you're gonna add a jhume, jiya. So it's more of the chest and the step. You go ka ka out in front, back. Hands are just flexed like that. Ka ka. So jhume, jiya, and then from here you're gonna go for a big scoop. Boom, big wave. So your head is going to the left. You drop it down to then scoop it up, and try to make it as big as possible, because in her singing also she's going really big in that moment. So Let's do from uski yaadon mein till the chorus. 5, 6, 7 and uski yaadon mein ke ख्वाबों में झूमे जिया रे. We're at the chorus. You go crazy Kia. So with the left hand you go hey, you know, all of you know this I'm sure, and together you go step in, step and ka ha chasse. Once again, so you go crazy together to the left, to the right, ha ha. From here you're gonna push right chasse into a step ball change, left, right, left. The left leg should come in front, in, turned out, because we're going for a kick next. Let me face back into the chasse step ball change. So you go chasse, step, ball, change. From here, left, right, left. So, crazy, Kia, left, in, right, in, ka. Ka, out, step, ball, change. Now the back leg comes for a kick and place. When you kick the leg, it does not have to be very high. You don't want to compromise on the length of the leg, so it has to be straight and pointed. So make sure it's there and the body is lengthening out, as opposed to taking the leg high and the body is dropping. So length and slide. So let's take it once again. You went Jhume Jiya Re, crazy Kia, left, right, push, push, step, ta ta ta, kick, out. Oh crazy. So from here, the right leg comes in front, you go ka ka, crazy. This time using the whole hand to push back, and then from the original choreography you're going to add these hands. So up, center, down. But as we do that, you go so crazy, up, center, down. So my hips are going right and my hand is going right. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's do that once again. From kick, push, oh crazy, crazy, Kia, boom, boom, boom. From here, you go out and roll, roll. So it's like second part of the chorus. You went na, 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 ta, out. There's this sound in the background. Toom, toom, toom. We catch that. And then you go right, in, left, in. Okay? So similar to what we did, but this time it's more up, up, then low, low. So we're almost at the end. Bear with me. You went down, down, down. We went right, in, left, in. Crazy Kia. So you can use your hip also. You can use your feet also. You can do both as well. Crazy Kia. This is your prep. You're going to open ha, ha. So the right leg is just coming, it's over crossing a little bit, and you're sticking your hip out also in this turn. So ka and boom, boom, boom. Like really like enjoy, get crazy in this part. This is the ending of the choreography. So you really want to just like play with your hair. You can go there, you can go down and finish as you come up. Let's do the whole chorus very slowly. So, Jhume Jiya Re, crazy Kia, left, right, hey, hey, out, step, one, change, kick and push. Oh, crazy, crazy Kia, hey, 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 crazy Kia, up, hey, hey, crazy Kia, right, left, crazy Kia, re, turn, and hey, hey, cut, 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 and up. This last part, just feel the music, make it your own. I think I missed one move. After the turn, you're also, I think you have time to extend the leg to place it on the floor. And two advanced things that you can add are, you can add the turn in the step ball change, and instead of just a half turn and place, you can go for a 1.5 turn and place. Okay, if at any point you feel confused, you can just go back to a section, redo it slow, and don't worry, we're gonna do it from the top once. And yeah, the choreography is online as well if you want to check it out again and again and do it with me on there. So let's do it from the very top. 5, 6, 7, and dun, 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 go feel and cut. Coming back, dun, na 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 na, and fan. 6, chori chori kiya boom, ka. Spot, re dil liya, chana chana, chori chori kiya re, ka. Hit, flow, and turn, and jadoo se jadoo kiya re, feel, and boom, boom, जागी सोई रहूं, खोई खोई रहूं, उसकी यादों में, उस ख्वाबों में, ठहरा ठहरा है, crazy किया left right, hit crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे, oh crazy crazy किया का, ha ha na 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 ah, na 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 ah, na 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 na, crazy crazy yeah, hey hey, ta, ta, ta. Ah. Yeah, clap for yourself. That's the whole choreography. So if you want to check out the full choreography on music, I've already linked it in the description. You're gonna practice with that again and again. Watch me do it multiple times. Dance along with it, right? Keep it in front of you. Dance along with it. And come back to this tutorial if you have any confusion, right? And thank you so much.